Hi, I'm Chroma Doctor from Young in Chromas. I'm going to provide the easiest operation tutorial for Aquapuri Essence Plus system. Through the LCD of Aquapuri Essence Plus, you can find these information at a glance. With a service button, you can go to service menu, and there are 3 functions available. Stabilization is required for air removal in filters and tubing at the first installation or replacement. Once you press Select button, it will stabilize all the flow path including filters, for 6 counts. Pressure down is required when replacing parts or consumables like tubings and valves. Also, you need to run this when high pressure error message is displayed. Pressing Select button, the system will be depressurized for 20 counts. In the standby, auto recirculation will be run every 50 minutes for 30 counts, to keep the water quality stable. In recirculation state, once you press product button, the state will be changed to product, to produce water. In product and recirculation state, you can monitor both temperature and water quality. And you can change the water quality unit between resistivity and conductivity by pressing service button. Easy, huh?